Hello everyone, this is one for Steven, and this is a tutorial video guide on how to use the $500 milestone scaling sheet. As you can see, by my left hand side is the scale sheet, and by my right hand side should be your MT5. Now these two go hand in hand. They are meant to work hand in hand for you to elevate your account, for you to know how to apply risk management as a beginner, and for you to know how much you are going to be risking. Now, this skill sheet is to apply only 1% of the time each time you trade. Then let's imagine that this is your phone at the right hand side, and I'm going to apply it, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Now you can see, don't worry, you'll be receiving the skill sheet as soon as possible. But once you receive it, the first thing you see is a title, Sniper Academy, and saying $500 milestone risky, right? Then it says this sheet is designed for traders starting from $100. Select your balance and stop loss in your pips, then copy the loss side directly into your platform. It's as simple as that. The skill sheet is showing you how to use it. Now I'm showing you practically how to do it. Now, then again, it's saying $100, meaning that this skill sheet is only designed for people who have $100 to start with, right? So, but before you consider these parameters, first always read the rules. And the rules is your starting balance should be $100. That's the first one. We have already covered it. The second one is your leverage. You want to set your leverage from 1 is to 100 or 1 is to 200. Is right there in your dashboard if you went through the assignments that I gave you. The leverage is 1 is to 100 or 1 is to 200, and the margin will automatically set to 500. So don't worry about it. You want to make sure you read through all this. Then don't forget to follow these each time you trade. These are rules. Do not round lot sizes up. That's one. If your broker limits decimals, always round down. What it means that when you take a trade, if you have to round down numbers, because numbers automatically round down for you, so there's no need. But this is just a rule to state that if you are not using any broker of ours, but our own broker that we offer does it for you automatically, so there's no stress in that. So the second thing is, any signals that has been sent, always put your stop loss. It's a must. Any signal that's being sent to you, whether it's from us or from anybody, always put your stop loss. It is very, very crucial. Then the next thing is trade with your emotions in check. You want to make sure that you are calm, you are not angry, and you are not lazy or tired. You want to make sure that you are trading with full focus, and you are planned out how much money you are going to risk that day, which is 1%. The fourth thing is always follow the skill sheet for proper risk management, which is this skill sheet we are following. Now it says check the Sniper Academy on how to use the 500 milestone risk sheet. Is free. This is what you are watching right now. Okay, so let's show a practical example. Now at the left hand side, you see the rows and columns. There's each section. At the first section, there's milestone. There is 10 pip loss size, there's 15 pip loss size, there's 20 pip loss size, the profit since last, and there's locked profit, there's total locks, there is adjust trading balance. Now I'm going to explain each of them one by one so you can understand what I'm talking about. Now this skill sheet now has a milestone, right? That's the first thing you see. The milestone means that at your beginning point to the next point is what you are going to do for you to unlock a new number, right? So meaning that we started with $100. Now that is how milestone is. Then the next second milestone is we went up to $200. The third milestone is 300, 400, until you reach 500. So it is already there for you. All you have to do is follow these three things that I'm about to show you. Now if a signal is being sent to you and you follow or you copy that signal, you want to check your stop loss. and your pips stop loss. For example, if Sniper Academy was to send a trade like this, right? You can see the stop loss here is 17 pips. Let me use this one. Let me use this one. If I took this trade yesterday, right? I took this trade yesterday. Now, Sniper Academy sent this trade to the group, and you can see it was a GPP USD against the US dollar, right? Now, it was a sell. When they took the sell, the stop loss was 18 pips right here. Now, they will write, you will see 18 pips stop loss, 10 pips. This one is 16. This one is 16. This one is 18. How do you identify the stop loss? This is the stop loss. This red thing here. The red thing is the stop loss. That is how to put your stop loss. I think there's a video on how to put your stop loss out there. It should be there for you. But if it's 10 pips, you want to put this exact lock size. If it's 15 pips, you want to put this exact lot size. If it's 20, you want to put this exact lot size. I hope it is very clear. Now, the next you want to do is, now you have identified the pips of the stop size. What you want to do is copy the exact amount. Copy it, then go to our MetaTrader, then go to the particular pair that we are looking for. We go to GPUSD. Go to GPUSD. You have added it. Now, once you go to GPUSD, click on charts, then something should pop out here at your right hand side. Then you click sell, right? Because let's imagine we were selling it. We click sell, you accept the terms and conditions, you click sell, and now you are selling it for 0.1. For 0.1, you paste it. You paste that thing right here at the middle. You paste it and you sell. That's it. If it was 10 pips lot size, would have done 0.2, but it's 15 pips right here. Sorry, this was a mistake. If I was selling right here, if I was selling a short right here, $15 pips right here. You can see 15 pips right here. So we now had to copy this. Copy. If it was 20 pips, you copy the same thing and put it in the middle here if you want to take another trade, and it should appear right here. It's that simple. That's how to do it. That's how to use this scale sheet right here. Now, when you follow that rule, the next section is profit since last. Your profit since last means how much did you gain before you reach this particular milestone, right? That's what it means. Then the next one is locked profits. Locked profits simply means the scale sheet is telling you that when you have reached a milestone, remove 10%. Remove 10% from your profit and put it somewhere. You can put it in your bank account, you can put it in your savings, you can put it anywhere. You can put it in another account. Do you understand? Just remove 10% from your profit and you should have an adjusting trading balance. That's what it means. Then you will now keep total lock. Total lock means how much money you have locked. The reason why it's like this is because this skill sheet was designed to have a plan B in case things go wrong. So that is what it means. If you keep following this from 200, 300, 400, 500, you should see that your total lock, you will have additional $100 sitting in another account. So guys, this is how to use the $500 milestone risk sheet. If you follow it properly, you should be able to grow your account. And please keep this in mind that risk management is very key. That is why this risk skill sheet is here for you. Always follow these rules. You see what I'm highlighting? If they send you a signal, if they indicate the pips, follow it accordingly, copy and paste in your MT5 or MT4 when you are trading. If they don't do that for you, please calculate how much pips you are going to lose. I think we have taught you how to do that. So please, again, risk management is key. Thank you very much.